In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3 and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. First of all, just open Settings and scroll all the way down. When you're ready, click on Additional Settings. Then select Keyboard and Input Method. Tap on Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Lastly, select Text Correction and scroll down to access autocorrection. If you want to switch it off or on, just click on this switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!